Hey, hi, hello friends. Today we will be showing you a very cool feature of Microsoft Excel for doing the basic calculations. You can use the quick analysis icon. So let's see the quick demo how and what it does. So see, जैसे कि आपके पास ये Excel sheet है and you have these two columns. Now on the bottom right corner you have this quick analysis and then you go to the totals. Now you see you click sum, average, count, percent total. If you just click on it quickly it will show you the results. So this is the row wise total. Now this is for the column wise. So see we are in the sum, it is showing the sum, it is showing average, count, it is also showing the percentage total. And if you want a running total you can take the running total as well. So running total means like 4 plus 2 equal to 6, then 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 12 27. So like this for each row it is showing the running total. So this is how this is very easy guys, so try using it. Thank you very much. Bye.